Yeah, I'm Abhi from Fini. We do customer voice support, and I handle the voice part. So I'll just quickly walk you through what Fini offers, and then yeah, straight to the demo. So we offer both inbound and outbound agents. Inbound is the bread and butter of Fini. That's what like customers call, and we resolve their issues. And yeah, so we take like it's not just an answering bot; it takes actions on behalf of customers. And yeah, as mentioned, like we offer the modular pipelines, which is the older LLM, then like the speech to text, the LLM processing, and the text to speech. And we also offer speech to speech pipelines now. And then the outreach agents, which they are more simplistic, like given a task, and they reach out to the customer and just try to complete the task. So yeah, that's about it. I'll quickly move to the demo as we are out of time. So it's something we quickly hack together. All right. So this is for the outreach agents, and I'm just going to pick one of the use cases here, the appointment confirmation. So how our clients access it is sometimes the clients have the widget on their website, but most of the volume happens through phone calls. So I'm also going to just demo a phone call quickly. So let's see. So I'm going to call myself with the appointment confirmation outreach agent, and just let's see how it goes. So I get a phone call, and yeah, I don't know how to, I'll just put it on speaker. I'm calling to confirm your appointment on Monday, May 18th at 10:30 a.m. with Dr. Elise Brower. Can you still make that time? No, I won't be able to make the appointment. No problem. I can offer a few alternatives. The available options are Tuesday, May 19 at 4 p.m., Thursday, May 21 at 9:15 a.m. Actually, the Tuesday option works fine for me. To confirm, you'd like Tuesday, May 19 at 4 p.m., is that correct? Yes. Perfect. I'll mark Tuesday, May 19 at 4 p.m. as your selected reschedule option from this call. The clinic team will have confirmation from this call. Thanks. Is there anything else I can help with? No, that would be all. Thank you. All right. So was it, yeah, the audio was good. All right, yeah. So this is like a simple use case where it just takes time, like a lot of load off the team of our clients. And yeah, it just makes a quick phone call, get some information, and can also do simple actions like rescheduling and stuff. Right. And now, yeah, I'm going to show one more demo where this is actually for a live client that we are onboarding. So for some context, this is a company that it's like Czech in Spain. So they have their scooters where you can, yeah, you just unlock, you pay per ride, and yeah, and a lot of the calls that they get from the client is when they're locked out of the scooter or they have a payment issue. So we set up the entire workflow for them that maybe is too much to get into right now, but I can just demo it on the call. And yeah, so what the agent does is it does a lookup given the phone number that we're calling from. It checks the status of the scooter, and it can also do a remote unlock from like using the API once the user authenticates. So I'll just quickly walk you through that. So if you see the first line, I'm going to call from my number, and you see the status is locked right now. So this is, it's like this one is mocked, but it's in the database of the client. Like this is roughly what it looks like the database connected with APIs. So, all right, I'm again gonna make a call from the phone. Let me see.
Hi, thanks for calling Ride Ego Support. How can I help today?
Hey, I think I'm locked out of my scooter. Can you help me, please?
One moment, checking now. I'm checking the. Thanks, checking details now.
So it is sensitive to interruptions.
Please try starting the ride again and let me know if it works.
Oh, thank you. Let me just check that. So now, if you see, it it did the API call. So it verifies that it's my phone number calling, and it knows which line to go after, and it's unlocked it. So then I can say, yeah, hey, yeah, I think the scooter works now. Thank you.
Great, glad to hear that. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that'll be all. Thank you. So in these cases, there's also, so what this graph basically tells is there's sometimes the remote unlock does not work, and it can offer credit to the user, or it can be that the remote unlock does not work because there's unpaid fines, and it tells the user, hey, please clear your fines, and then we can unlock it. So that's what this graph and the workflow represents. So that's about it. I think I have 2 more minutes. Any questions?
Yeah, okay. Short one.
What's the underlying infrastructure? LiveKit or?
Yeah, we use LiveKit, indeed. And so many of the clients have started requesting speech-to-speech models now, which is very low latency, and they can also pick up on like the user's frustration and sound like very realistic. Like they can also slow down when the user speaks slow, so things like that. But we also offer the modular pipelines for clients that want a bit more customization. So yeah.
I'm curious, who determines the accent of the solution? Does that lie on the client, or what you guys have standardly available?
Did you say accent?
Yeah.
Oh,
The
yeah.
voice accent. So basically, I don't know if you're working in the American market, is it American,
Yeah.
and is it like standardized American globally, or
So
is it they customized on like Spain Spanish, Latin American Spanish, or how does that work?
yeah, exactly. It's whatever the client requests. So we do have accents, but like this client, they usually want their phone calls in Spanish. So we just give them a native Spanish voice, and yeah, that's how it goes. But yeah, yeah,
We had one last question from
yeah.
here for
Actually,
you.
so or maybe we can see a demo of the new speech-to-speech agents. They can change their accent mid-call. Would you like to see that? I think we have. Yeah,
You decide.
yeah. Maybe let's just try.
Hi, this is Laura from Northbridge Dental Clinic. I'm calling to confirm your appointment on Monday, May 18th at 10:30 a.m. with Dr. Elise Brower.
Hey,
Can you make that time?
so I cannot understand you. Can you speak in a British accent, please?
Of course, I can speak in a British accent. Can you still make your appointment on Monday?
No. It needs to
May
be it needs to be a stronger British accent.
Right, no problem. Can you still make your appointment on Monday, May 18th at 10:30 a.m. with Dr. Elise Brower?
Yes.
Great, I'll mark that as confirmed from this call. Just as a reminder, the clinic is at Keizersgracht 214 in Amsterdam. Thanks, that's all I needed. Have a good day.
Yeah. So somewhat
Thank
British. So yeah. All right.
Good.
Cheers.
Last question.
Final question. Your agents autonomously can make decisions on behalf of your clients. How do you do this in like a legal structure? I'm very interested in, your system is going to automatically make decisions for your clients.
Mm-hmm.
How do you do this on the legal side of things?
A lot of the things that the actions that they take are fine to make. Like a lot of them, they're concerned with order cancellations or tracking like their shipments and like remote unlocking their scooters. So I don't think there's any legal hassle that comes in place. But but we also thoroughly check when all the actions are working as intended, and there's also quite some multi-step actions. So we need to we set up the graph workflows like quite intensely for them for this. So,
I wanted
Right.
demo. I'm not
Oh.
disappointed.
Oh, nice.
Thanks a lot.
Yes,
Thanks. A big round of
cheers.
applause.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you.
probably. Get the mic. Yep.